That's good. So beans can go in there?
Oh yes. Yes, you have it. You have it. Pepper.
No, that's not it.
So much pepper. Oh my god.
Too much pepper. So can we still recall what's in there?
Yes, we can recall what's in there.
I can.
It has lettuce and, you know, the darkest carrots of the entire world. It has
Beets.
beets. Yes, beets. Apples, dates, and this is figs, dried figs. Some dates from moredates.com. And you know, yellow carrots that too. And
Does it
paprika.
really exist?
Yeah, it's somebody's channel. I'm just randomly associating it.
Okay. And black beans and tofu.
Black beans, and smoked tofu.
Yes.
Always smoke your tofu.
So what dressing are you making?
You know, just like a liter of olive oil, and then see what we can add next.
Okay, I just thought your underwear said Osho.
Yeah, I'm not sure if I want that guy on my balls.
So hummus is the dressing.
Yes, hummus is dressing.
Anything else?
Some olive oil. You could add a little vinegar, but like not a lot. And some salt and pepper.
What about walnuts and like pumpkin seeds? What do you reckon? There's hummus in your beard.
Well, isn't there always?
Gonna lick it up.
I'm not sure about this.
Okay, I have to come down a bit.
Weirdest
No,
thing I've
wait,
ever done.
it's still here.
Okay, that's enough with the beard licking. There's all the smoked. Of course, maybe. I'm surprised to use my middle name.
Oranges will be really good, probably.
Orgies?
Oranges.
Oranges, yeah.
What do you say?
Orgies, I heard.
Orange. Freudian mishearing.
Okay. I'm feeling good.
You like it?
What's up, everyone? Step it back to our plank pose. We've been here before. Strong foundation. Inhale in and then exhale. Power up. Plank pose. Here we go. Inhale, shifting forward. Exhale, send the hips really moving from the hip creases here all the way up and back. Downward facing dog.
Okay. Welcome to the video. As you've seen, Eric is here at the moment. And we're very much enjoying our time with each other since we don't see each other that often. We're also gonna go to a cafe together today and do some visioning. Like, that's something we started to do like once a week, and you know, we just think about the future and things that would be cool. Yeah, I'm gonna go there a bit earlier because I'll still write on a trip report, do a little bit of journaling and reading, and work on my website, which that is very exciting. And yeah, that's it. See you then. I'll have brunch before I go. I had that already. I'll put in what I had, and I'll see you at the cafe. I also just have to get out of the apartment in order to do work because it's so hot. I think it's 40 degrees in there. This heat wave is like incredible. We're taking like 3 cold showers a day in order to somehow bury it in a small apartment in the middle of the city. Hello. Hello. So I'm making my website with Squarespace and I'm pretty much done already. I still need pictures. I have my logo. So I want another picture and I have to still rewrite this about me section a little bit. And I'm not really loving the format of the blog yet. But if I can make that a little bit different, I'm basically done. So pictures and some formatting, and this website should be up soon. Yay!
Maybe. It's a little trip, little detour through.
Okay, wait.
Sunday, 3 hours. Last night, I'm tired. We should really have.
Because then I said, why is it always before we go to my brother?
Yeah, you know. Yeah, so you know, feed that to your therapist. Or some kind of Freudian, whatever.
Had a little bit of a dip there this afternoon. Wow. I don't know. I did manage to work on a few things, but it's like the heat is so unbearable. And also I'm having a little bit of a difficult time with being confident lately with my body. It's like summer is always especially difficult when I see like so many fit and tanned girls running around, and just makes me feel a little bit insecure. And I don't know, sometimes I feel weird that nothing has changed about that for years. And it's always coming up in summer. So I had summers where I didn't go swimming at all because I couldn't stand the fact that someone would see me in my swimmers. But anyways, this is gonna pass. I think I'm just gonna take like a really cold shower now and meditate a bit. And Mel is coming over tonight and we're going to dance together, and then we'll all just hang out. It's gonna be very nice, so that's gonna uplift my mood in no time. Yeah. Yay! Merles!
Schön nach Dreck, Sonnencreme und Schweiß gemixt. Oh.
Love it!
Liebe Grüße auf jeden Fall an meine Freunde. Meine Familie.
Meine Oma!
Dann dachte ich habe die Shampoo in meinem mouth. I rubbed the shampoo in my mouth in the shower.
Okay.
And that kind of
Well,
taste. You're like,
smells
oh
like
shit, I just
what?
ate something that was not edible.
Thank you, yeah. It's really good.
Oder wie sagt man delicious auf Englisch? It's
Delicious is your English.
ja? Ist es wirklich Englisch? Delicious ist für mich so.
Ja.
Ich drücke einfach, das ist Französisch.
Delicious.
Ja. Okay, fuck.
Okay, fuck.
Also English.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Wow.
See?
I'm so international today. Water after it, so I thought, yeah, the Geschmack
Yeah.
would left, but no. It was
vodka, was it?
disgusting.
Was vodka or was
So I drank vodka and then water after it.
Yeah.
And vodka and water and